Hello students, good morning all of you. How are you? I hope all of you safe in COVID-19. Now let's go online video study. Global Global University was start online videos lecture. Today we will study a subject of production technology and topic name is non-conventional machining in EDM machining process made by mechanical department in HCT. First of all, history of EDM machine process. Now, electric discharge machine, it is the full form of EDM, is the one of the most promising manufacturing technologies of microcomponents. It was originally observed by Joseph Priestley in 1770. EDM machining was very impressive and riddled with failures. Commercially developed in the mid 1970s. Wire EDM begins to be available technique that help to shape the metal working in industry in 1980s. Now next, this is the image of the original of electric discharge machining goes back to 77. Now discuss about a principle of EDM machine. It is the process of metal removal based on the principle of material removed by an interpreted electric spark discharge between the electrodes, tool and workpiece. In EDM, potential difference is applied between the tool and workpiece. Essential, like that, both tool and workpiece material are to be conductors. The tool and work material are immersed in a dielectric medium, generally like a kerosene or dye-ionized water is used the dielectric medium. A gap is maintained between the tool and the workpiece. Depending upon the applied potential difference, like that 50 to 450 volt, and the gap between the tool and workpiece just like 0.001 mm, an electric field would be established. Generally the tool is connected to the like that negative terminals as a cathode terminals of the generator, and the workpiece is connected to positive terminals as a anode content. Next, this is the also EDM machining principle. Now discuss a figure of EDM spark. Now discuss, this is the tool wearing between workpiece and tool. It's a produce dielectric flow as you seen in figure, and then after vapor content produce, then after ionized smoke it's create. Ionized smoke is create, it's a produce recast layer, and recast layer it's a touching with the heat affected zone. Now students, see in figure a bottom parts workpiece liquid metals, it's a heat affected zone produced by plasma channels and also produce craters. There is no craters, mechanical stress or vibration problem during the machining, as there is no direct contact between electrode and the workpiece. Next, This is the process of EDM machine. How it is the work? EDM machining is the controlled metal remove process that is used to remove metal by means of electric spark erosion. In this process, an electric spark is used the cutting tool to cut the workpiece to produce the finished part to desired shape. The metal removal process is performed by applying pulsating like that on off controller electric charge of high frequency current through the electrode to the workpiece. This removes very teeny pieces of metal from the workpiece at the controlled rate. Next, continue of process EDM. It is the thermoelectric process that remove material from workpiece by a series of discrete spark between a workpiece and tool. Electrode emerges in a liquid dielectric medium. Next point, the method of material removed from the workpiece by melting vaporizing, now seen in previous slide. The molten material is injected and flushed away by the dielectric, leaving very small craters on the electrode surface seen this previous slide figure. Now this is the slide of schematic diagram of EDM machining. Now seen the first of all how to work. This is the first of all electric power source like that DC power control mechanism. It's a connect in with control circuit. It's connected with current monitor. It's connect with servo control feed mechanism. It's feed up to tool electrode. Now next, process of EDM machine. The electro erosion process is used to produce complex two and three dimensional shapes even in harder material according to the most agreed on process mechanism. When a voltage is applied through a dielectric medium across the gap between the tool and workpiece, an electric field build along the path of least resistance. This causes a breakdown of a dielectric, initiate the flow of current. Next, continue process of EDM machine. In the second stage, electrons and ion migrates towards the anode and cathode respectively at high current density, forming a column of plasma and initiating the melting of the workpiece. Next point. When the application of voltage is stopped, the plasma column collapses. The portion of the molten metal is ejected from workpiece and a very small craters is formed. Seen previous slide. The debris remaining on the workpiece is flushed away by the dielectric. Now next slide, tool material of EDM machine. This is the important of tool material in fitted in EDM machine. The basic requirement of tool material. What is the basic requirement? How to find out? This is the first one, high electric conductivity. Second one, high melting point and high thermal conductivity. Then after finding out a tool material, the tool materials should be easy to machine and expensive. Some of the most frequently used tool materials like that include graphite and bronze for machining steels, and copper tungstens for machining carbides. Bronze and copper tungstens are often used for producing smooth surface and for high precision EDM machining. Now let's discuss about dielectric fluid used in EDM. This is the also most important object, dielectric fluid. The main function of dielectric fluid are to insulate the gap between tool and workpiece before high energy is accumulated to concentrate the discharge energy to very small area to recover the gap condition after the discharge and to flush away the discharge product. Next point, the two most commonly used parameters in dielectric fluids like that petroleum base, hydrocarbon minerals, oils and ionized water and most usable kerosene. Dielectric fluxes is very important in EDM operation. The commonly used flushing method are immerse, immersion, spray or jet. Next, this is the most important method, servo control feed mechanism of EDM machine. How to servo control feed? How to work out servo control? Now let's discuss tool feed control mechanism. Now during the EDM operation, material will be removed from the workpiece and electrode tool. This will increase the gap between the tool and the work in order to maintain a constant gap and arcing voltage and to prevent short circuiting. The tool must be fed properly with a feed control device. Rapid response of the system is essential with a low inertia drive. Any overshooting will close the arc gap, causes short circuit. Hence, it is required to have rapid reversing feed motion. Now, continue of servo control mechanism. Actuation of the control is derived from signal obtained from electric sensor responding to the gap voltage, working current or both. The schematic arrangement of servo control for the tool feed as shown in figure. The gap between the electrode tool and the workpiece is critical. The feed of the tool is controlled by a mechanism which is automatically maintain constant gap during operation. The capacitors is repeated at 50 Hz to 500 kHz with voltage between 50 watt to 380 watt and current from 0.1 ampere to 500 ampere. This is the basics figure of first of all rotary pulse generator circuit and second one is vacuum tube pulse generate circuit. This is the also on off control mechanism. Now nearest to describe to servo control mechanism figure, schematic arrangement of servo control. Now let's discuss rectifier. First one, rectifier is the supplying the power supply and it's a controlled current It's a spread out a maximum decrease to voltage and increase to current. Now, what is the basic importance of servo control? Servo control mechanism, it's a feed then after workout by tool in workpiece. Now let's discuss about next slide. EDM work based on current and voltage. This is the diagram of voltage and current. Now first one, when the voltage is decrease, then after what was the happen position. First one, A, pre breakdown voltage applied between the electrode and workpiece. Then what happened, B sections. Then after current is increase, breakdown dielectric creation of the plasma channel. It's a small component, it's a blasting. Now C is the current is stable. Current is stable, then after voltage is also stable. What was happen in this figure? Discharge, heating, melting and vaporizing of the workpiece material. Then after current is continuously decrease. Then what happen, also voltage will be also decrease. Then what will happen, end of the discharge plasma, implosion, removing of the molten metal pool. Then after post discharge solidifying and flushing of erodes particles by dielectric. And then after next slide, it is the most important parameter, input parameter of EDM machine. First input parameter is spark on time, like that, pulse on time, the duration of time as the current is allowed to flow per cycle. Material removal is directly proportional to the amount of energy applied during time on time. This energy is really controlled by the peak current and the length of on time. Next parameters, spark off time, the duration of time is between the spark. Now what happened, this will be process, the current will be on time. This time allowed the molten material to solidified and to be wash out the arc gap. This parameter is affected the speed and stability of the cut. Thus, if the off time is too short, it will causes spark to be unstable. Next parameters, arc gap. The arc gap is distance between the electrode and workpiece during the process of EDM. It may be called as a spark gap. Spark gap can be maintained by servo system. It will be generally developed by 0.01 mm to 1 mm. Next parameter, discharge current. Current is measured is ampere allowed to per cycle. Discharge current is directly proportional to material removal rate. Next parameter, duty cycle. It is percentage of on time relative to the total cycle time. This parameter is calculated by dividing the on time by the total cycle time, like that on time process, pulse is off time process. Next parameters, voltage. It is potential that can be measured by volt is also affected the material removal rate and allowed to per cycle. Voltage is given by in experiment is 50 watt. Next parameters, dielectric level is measured in mm. Dielectric level like that, dielectric fluid level, and dielectric fluid is kerosene. Next one, this is the important parameters of EDM machine. Also, diameter of electrode. It is the electrode of copper tube. There are two different size of diameter, 4 mm and 6 mm. In this experiment, the tool is used not only the electrode but also used for internal flushing overcut. It is a clearance per side between the electrode and the workpiece after the marching operation. Next, this is the output parameters of EDM. This is the also usable of how to find out different metals strength. First one, MRR. MRR is a full form of material removal rate. MRR is basically function of current and the melting point of the workpiece material. The three properties the affect are: first one, thermal conductivity; second one is electric resistivity; then after melting temperature. Now this is the equation of MRR. Second one, this is the important output parameter of EDM. Tool wearing cut removal rate. It is also called wear rate of electrode. It is the equation of wear rate. WT is equal to 11 into 10 raised to 3 I. I is equal to current, and T is raised to minus 2.38, and also one is wear ratio of workpiece to electrode. Capital R is equal to 2.25 capital T into small r, capital T into small r, like that melting point of electrode material rate. Now next, this is the advantages of EDM machining. Any material that is electrically conductive can be cut using the EDM process. Next point, hardness workpiece can be machined and deformation causes by the heat treatment is eliminated. Next point, X, Y and Z axis movement to allow for the programming of complex profiles using simple electrode. Next point, complex dies section and molds can be produced accurately, faster and at lower cost. Next point, thin fragile section such as waves or fins can be easily machined without deferring the part. Next point, discuss about an application of EDM. EDM machining higher tolerance limit can be obtained, hence areas that require higher surface accuracy use the EDM machining processes. Next point, ceramic materials also cut by EDM machining process. Now it's applicable in such as sports, medical, surgical instrument, optical, also an automotive and R&D research area work. It is a promotion technique to meet increasing demand for the small components, usually highly complicated multifunctional part use in the field of microelectronics. Thank you, students. I hope all of you students